Now that you've got your 15 results for your different drops on your results table, it's time to work out what the averages are. To do that, you'll need your calculator. So I've got 2.22 plus 2.19 plus 2.25. Then it's important to press equals on your calculator, which gives me 6.66. And then I divide it by 3 because we did 3 trials. So my average time for 0 paper clips is 2.22. Now our next one here is average landing time rounded. So we're going to round it, and this one here will round to 2.20. What I want you to do is have a go of your calculator and check that you can get the same results as what I'm getting on here. I'll do one more as an example for you. 2.15 plus 1.97 plus 1.94 equals 6.06 divided by 3, because we did 3 trials there as well, gives me 2.02. And then I go and round it, and it rounds to 2.0. Whoops, that one there should not have a 0. So it should be 2.2, 2.0. Alright, and here's the other ones. Again, I'd like you to just put these numbers into your calculators and check that you can get the same answer as me. This one here rounds to 1.8. This one will round up to 1.7. This one here will round up to 1.6. So those are my results there. So we're going to be using that column and the number of paper clips column in order to plot our graph. So I've set up my landing times on the vertical axis here, and my largest value is 2.2, so I've gone one higher, and I've got 2.3 there. Now I'm going to need to number it all the way down to 0. Now this here is a different type of graph because you'll see that our lowest result is 1.6. So I could carry on all the way down to here, but we're actually only going to be plotting some points way up here. So for this particular graph, I'm going to let you draw a little zigzag in here. It's important that you learn about these because they often use them to manipulate data. That allows us to skip all of the points from 1 down to 0. So I've put that zigzag in. Then I can make this here my horizontal axis. We'll ignore all of those numbers there. And then we're going to be starting on the number of paper clips. My first one is going to be 0. Then we're going to skip a line just to make ours a little bit wider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper clips. And now we can start plotting. So when I had 0 paper clips up here, it was 2.2. So 0 goes all the way up to 2.2. When I had 1 paper clip on, it was 2.0. So it goes there. When I had 2 paper clips on, I got 1.8, which is there. When I had 3 paper clips, I got 1.7, which is there. When I had 4 paper clips, I got 1.6, which is there. And I never did it with 5 paper clips. So I've got those ones there. And then I'll be able to rule in my line neatly, going through the center of all of the crosses. And that there, just needs to label this one, number of paper clips. And that there is the graph complete. Hope you enjoyed it.